May profits be upon you. We're going to take a look at platinum. We haven't done platinum in a while, but I think it's worth doing because I think there's an opportunity. It's getting stronger. Look, we can see that going into the summer, things was pretty bullish. Broke the highs here. All right, traded through it. All right, and when you see price trading through it, you look for this that swing high, and then you look for the low it created. All right, this is the low. This is the low here. It pulled back. It pulled. We see price trading above it, and then it pulled back, protecting that low. So this low didn't violate that low. It's a protected low. All right. So we have a swing low. We have a swing high. Price doesn't go past it. You see price trade through it again. I'm talking about a very nice trading through, a very convincing candle body close above that swing high. So it would indicate higher prices to come, but price comes right back. During the summer months, it falls back into a downswing. All right, it gets bearish. It pulls back and then gets even more bearish. But we still have not gone past that low, and we haven't gone past the low created by the last swing high here. It's really about waiting for prices to go higher. You get these beautiful clues here, and you don't see the respect given to these bullish arrays here. These what do you call the you don't see respect of those bullish fair value gaps, and you see respect given to the bearish ones. You're going, oh, is price going to go lower? And it gets to these lows, this low liquidity, low resistance liquidity here. It sweeps those, but it keeps that low intact. Now, what do we got? After the summer's over, the fall comes in. What do we get? We see signs of strength. We see price trade through this high, all right, with a candle body close above the previous highs here. Look how strong this candle looks. I turn optimistic when I see the breakout to the upside. All right, you see how price used this fractal low here and pushed higher. You don't think about price being bearish anymore. You think about price being bullish, right? And what did it create? This bullish fair value gap right here. All right, you expect when price trades back into it, it'll go higher, which it did, but it didn't create a new high. It kind of moved sideways. It's accumulating orders, right? It's accumulating liquidity. What does it do? It comes back into the same bullish fair value gap, and look at the respect shown by that wick. Okay, so price continues higher. All right, we get a candle body close above the previous week high, the weekly high. All right, and a very strong close, and we're very close to this draw on liquidity here at this swing high here. So, and that swing high is at 1,030. Okay, I'm looking for price to take that this week to sweep that high. All right, and I also want to note that it did not when this candle opened, the close here and the open here, you see a gap down. You see a gap down. Price pushes down, but does not go past the 50% of this candle's wick. I keep saying the wicks are a range. If you see price going past and closing past that that the midpoint of these long wicks, when you see the long wicks, this it's an indication that price is weak and will probably head south. But this one respected the midpoint, the mean threshold of this wick, and it continued higher. And I'm looking for next week to continue higher. If you use next candle theory, when the current candle closes, a candle gives a candle body close past the high and past the total trading range of the previous candle, the likelihood is that the next candle will form and take the high of the current candle. And in this case, I'm hoping that that also means it'll take out this high as our first target. Now, if we go to the daily, what am I looking for? I'm looking for uh, supporting evidence, right? I'm looking for price to find support for higher prices. I'm looking for this market to support higher pricing. All right. What do we have here? This this one here is a weekly bullish fair value gap. We've already used it. Boop, boop, boop. We hit it twice. This one is pretty much out of the picture. All right. So bye bye. All right. We've used it. All right. We've also taken this low. We also took this swing low here, which has other swing lows on either side of it, higher swing lows on either side of it. This is one of significance. You understand? There's intermediary uh, swing lows, which I refer to as fractal lows, like so. But then there are the more important ones, the actual, and these are more consequential swing highs and lows. The ones that have swing lows or swing highs on either side of it, but it is the more prominent one. This is a good low, and you can see it took out that high, a significant low. And when price comes past it, I'm expecting a retracement. It could be a reversal, but I'm expecting something. And price did not disappoint. You saw the retracement start. Now we're going pretty high, so this looks like a reversal, and we have a a a daily fair value gap here. Take my time with this so you can learn. All right. You see how price traded back into it and bounced, used it to springboard higher. All right. In this springboarding, we don't have any other bullish fair value gaps to support higher pricing. However, we do have some. However, right, we do have some momentum that we obviously see that looks like price is pushing up and trying to reach these highs, this fractal high and this swing high. All right, we've already taken out this fractal high. We're looking at the swing high next. And what am I also looking for? I'm looking for the candle formation. I didn't mean to do that. Let's get rid of that. I'm looking for a candle formation. I'll make it big because they don't give me much of a choice. All right. And I'm looking for a wick about yay big. Okay. If I can make that a little thicker, I will. All right. I'm looking for a big wick about yay big. And I want to see price push and close past this high and that high. That's what I would like to see. And that would indicate higher pricing would also, if depending on how price forms that Monday and Tuesday candles, I will know whether we're going to get another bullish fair value gap here. That would indicate price is going to go higher. So I'm watching for bullish fair value gaps to form. All right. We're not going to get much of one here because of how high this candle, the wick is. All right. It'll have to be, it'll just have to be a very small wick, like so, in order to see a fair value gap going over here. This will be my invalidation range there. If price wicks past that, then we won't get a a bullish fair value gap here. Maybe we'll get one after Monday, but we'll see. But this is what I'm hoping to get, and if we can get one, it would strengthen the argument for higher pricing, and we'll look for bullish setups. I want this fair value gap to form. I do want it to form, but we'll leave it as a line right now, as our invalidation line. I am bullish all the way. I'm not looking for any pullbacks because we haven't taken out the swing high. We could get one from this one. We could get a some kind of pullback, maybe down to test these highs here. But I'm not looking for. I'm not looking for. I'm not looking for any shorts here. I'm looking for buy setups. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you smash the like button or the boost, and leave a comment. Let me hear from you. Do you have a different viewpoint of what maybe your forecast for platinum is different than mine, and that's fine. I would love to discuss it. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.